Good morning. We are still welcome to the solutions to our BEC 2024 examination questions. Section B, question 5. The diagram PQR is an enlargement of PST. PS is 4, QS is 2, and QR is 10. Find a length of ST. Okay. So in that regard, we will draw our triangles so we can get that clear. So if I'm redrawing this triangle, PQR, which is the image, so PQR is our image, and then PST is our object. PQ is 4 and then 2, that's 6 cm. And then PS is 4 cm. PQ is 10 cm. We don't know ST. I'll find ST. So scale factor is length of image over corresponding length of object. So the scale factor is if I take the image 6 cm, and that should be over 4 cm, that's the corresponding length for the object. It's the same as me taking the QR 10 cm out of ST. So once these two are the same for the scale factor, let me just cross multiply to solve. 6 times ST is 6 cm goes off, 6 ST, length of ST, and that's 10 times 4. So ST should be 40 out of 6, which is 20 out of 3 cm. And that ends it for that. Now, the next question is saying that if PQ is equal to PR, so it means that it makes the triangle isosceles. This is also 6 cm or 4, 2. If I draw a line from this to this, that line becomes a line of symmetry. Because for isosceles triangle, their unique feature is that line I've drawn from the P divides QR into 2 equal parts. 5, 5, right? And now to find the area of PQR, I need the height. So this height here, and this is the base. The base is the entire length QR. So I have to find the height using Pythagoras theorem. So this is my Y. Let me use Y for my height. So Pythagoras theorem, we have 6 squared. We have 6 squared. We have 6 squared being equal to Y squared plus 5 squared. And that's 36 equal to Y squared plus 25. So Y squared is 11. So Y is square root of 11 cm. So what is the area? Half times base, which is 10 cm, times height, which is root 11. 2 here, 1, 2, there, 5. So my area is 5 root 11 cm squared. And that ends the question 5A. Now question 5B. The 5B. 5B. The total area of a school compound is 900.5 meters squared. The school has administration and classroom block, library, school park, roads, and walkways. The areas of administration and class block, library, and school park are 300 whole number, 1 out of 4 meters square, 200.5 meters square, 120 and 18 meters square, respectively. Find the area covered by roads and walkways altogether. Roads and walkways added up to the other three we have should give us the total area. So I can use X. Let X be equal to area covered by roads and walkways. So X plus 300 and a quarter plus 200 and a half plus 120 1/8 should be equal to 900 and a half meters squared, right? So if I'm adding up this 300, 200, 500 plus that is 620, then I'm going to add a quarter to a half to 1/8, right? And that should all give me 900 and a half meters squared. 8, 2, 1, 2, 2 into 8 is 4, 4, 1 is 4, 8 into 8 is 1, 1, 1 is 1. So I have X plus 620, 7 out of 8, and that is giving me 900 and a half meters squared. So it means that if I want my X, it is 900 and a half meters square minus 620, 7 out of 8 meters square. So let me do my calculations for that. Okay, so in that case, I'm going to have 900 minus 620, and that's 280. And then I'm going to subtract 7 out of 8 from a half. 8, 4 minus 7. So if I take one from my 280, I'm going to have 279. And that one becomes 8 out of 8 plus next 3 out of 8. If I proceed from here, I'm going to have my 279 plus 5 out of 8. So my X is 279 whole number, 5 out of 8 meters. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the solution for question number 5B. I wish you all the best. Bye bye.